I feel like this is turning into a press conference.
Corporation through which we carry out unofficial. This resolution by its terms had a straightforward impact, changing who would occupy the China Sea. Full stop. Today, however, the PRC increasingly mischaracterizes and misuses Resolution 2758 to serve its own interests. Beijing mischaracterizes the resolution by falsely conflating it with China's own One China principle, and wrongly asserts it reflects an international consensus for its One China principle. Number one, 2758 did not endorse, is not equivalent to, and does not reflect a consensus for China's One China principle. Number two, 2758 has no bearing on countries' sovereign choices with respect to their relationships with Taiwan. 3. 2758 did not constitute a UN institutional position on the ultimate political status of Taiwan. And fourth, 2758 does not preclude Taiwan's meaningful participation in the United Nations system and other multilateral fora. Taiwan is a reliable partner, and it is a force for good in the world. The United States encourages UN member states, civil society, and individuals who care about solving shared challenges to join us in supporting Taiwan's meaningful participation throughout the UN system and in other multilateral fora. A good first step would be to invite Taiwan to participate in next month's World Health Assembly as an observer.
I think that the situation, in a sense, has deteriorated. We have seen that not only officials from Taiwan or journalists from Taiwan are unable to get into UN buildings, but even citizens, just average people, average Taiwanese who go to the UN in New York and want to get a tour, cannot get into the building. And I think that one of the major reasons why we have seen a deterioration in the situation is because Beijing has really been pushing on an open door. There has been very little pushback from the international community.